Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another product to share with you all, and this one is for a heated blanket or Sherpa or throw. Now it is from the guys at Madison Park, and it's 50 inches by 60 inches or 125 centimeter by 152 centimeters. It does come with a 5-year warranty. It has the overheat protection, 2 hours auto shut off, full body warmth, 3 fast heat settings, luxuriously soft and lightweight fabric, machine washable, and easy maintenance. So what I like about this, now that I've read it, it's machine washable. You don't want to get something that if it's electric, you can't wash it, because I mean, how are you going to sanitize it, right? Ooh, look, it feels really nice. Really nice. I feel the wires in there, because the wires inside of the throw is what's going to heat the throw first. So here's the remote control. We have high, medium, and low, and this is what plugs into the throw, this part here, and then this part goes into the wall. This is where your plug would go in. So let me just open it out. Here is our important warnings and safeguards instruction manual. You'd want to keep that. So one side is white and the other side is gray, but both sides are soft. It's really soft and nice. So just imagine I'm gonna cuddle with this. I have one black. Let's see if it's shedding. Okay, no shedding, but just imagine you can cover with this, and I'm standing so you guys can see. If you're on your couch and you're cuddling, or you're just, you're cuddling with yourself, it's really nice and it feels really good. So, and it's big enough that you can tuck your feet under and be really comfy and cozy. And this is the time right now that the weather is nice and cold, it's chilly, so you always want to be bundled up. So what we're going to do is, let's plug this on and let's test it out and see how hot it actually gets. So to find it, you're going to look for this writing, and it's right by there. And it's very easy to plug in. You just slip it in like that. You hear that click, it's locked into place. So guys, once you've plugged it into the wall, you're going to use the power button. Press that power button, and low is the first setting. You want to press up to go to medium, and then you press again, you go to high. So I'm going to send it back down to low, and we're going to allow this to heat. And let's see how warm or how hot it gets on the low setting. I'll tell you guys, and then we'll switch from low to medium, and then from medium to high. So let's just wait for this to heat, and I'll let you guys know. Now they did say when reading the instruction manual, do not fold it, like squeeze the wires. Try to just let it lay over your body and just relax. Don't stick it into the couch. So you would want to read this really well when purchasing it. It is a good purchase, but remember, it's electrical. There are electrical wires that would heat the blanket. So you just want to make sure you go over the do not or the don'ts before moving forward with this. Okay, so I can feel it. It's nice and warm. It's like lukewarm. I would describe it as being very lukewarm. So I wouldn't recommend the warm setting for if it's very cold in the house. So let's go to the medium setting. It's working really well so far. And one of the other things that they recommend is don't pass the cord through the couch to make life easier. If you think that would make life easier, don't do it. And also, they didn't say don't use an extension, but I would recommend don't using an extension. You want this to go directly into your wall socket. It will be safer that way. Okay, so the medium is feeling like a nice warm cup of coffee. Really nice, that if the house is chilly, perfect temperature. And do not use this on babies, or do not use this blanket on someone who cannot ask for help. Let's put it on to high. You just want to make sure you do the right thing when using an electric or a heated blanket. After all, it is being plugged into the wall. If you wanted to plug it into the wall, put it on the highest setting and then let it warm, and then you unplug the parts and then you use it. That's another great option too. If you're scared that you may fall asleep and you don't want to leave it on, definitely a great option. Okay, so the hot setting is really nice and cozy now. It feels really cozy. Oh, really, really nice. Oh. And right now the weather here in South Florida is in the 60s, which I know it's not cold, that some of the cold that some of you guys are experiencing, but trust me, this will definitely do its job. So I have to say that it's working really well. And those wires that are in here, look, I can fold this and you can see how soft it is, right? That the wires are not really hard and it's not protruding. They're nice soft wires in here. So that's definitely a plus in my book. So guys, if you all are interested in purchasing a nice heated blanket or throw, definitely you need to check out this brand. It feels so comforting and so warm and nice. So I'll leave all of the information to purchase this down in the description box. Make sure and click that little down arrow for that description box to open up, where you will find the link. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to so enjoy this. And make sure, if you don't want it for yourself, buy it as a gift for someone. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.